In some PCB design software, manually routing differential pairs can be exceedingly difficult. Not so with the AutoTRAX DEX PCB Designer. With DEX, it is exceedingly simple, quick, and easy. So here we have a simple PCB with two devices. There is a routed track at the top of the PCB. There is also a differential pair displayed as two yellow lines. The yellow lines indicate that the pair have not been routed. Like many of my videos, I keep the PCB as simple as possible so that you can easily see what is going on. The differential pair has been defined by adding two interwire connectors to the two schematic nodes in the schematic. The first node has been named with a plus sign added to the end. The second node has been named and a negative sign added to the end. Returning to the PCB, I will now manually route the differential pair. First I hold down either the Control or the Shift key and double-click at one of the ends. Manual routing will start. As I start routing, you can see two horizontal guides have been added to help me define the initial direction of the routed pair. Left-clicking the mouse removes the first horizontal guide, and I am free to add root corners. Notice how the real-time design rule checker shows any errors. When I get close to the target pads, the routed pair snap to the second horizontal guide. If I double left-click the mouse, or press the End key, the manual routing is complete. I will now unroute the pair, by right-clicking on the pair to display the context menu, and clicking on the Unroute menu item. I will now route the pair from the opposite end. Now as I get close to the target, you can see the gap narrows so that the routed pair connects at right angle. Again, double left-clicking the mouse button or pressing the End key completes the routing. I will now show you how the routing works with both parts rotated. First, I unroute the pair. Now, I rotate the first part by 45 degrees. Next, I rotate the second part by 90 degrees. This time I will route the pair by first selecting one of the nets. Next, I click the Route Differential Pair button. Now, I move the cursor near either end of the differential pair and left-click to begin routing. When I have finished defining the route path, I double-click the left mouse button. To show routing from the other end, I unroute the pair and again click the Route Differential Pair button. I move to the Start, left-click, and route as before. Finally, I press the End key to complete the routing. You can easily modify the routed pair by holding down the left mouse button and dragging any of the straight sections, or dragging any of the corners. You can also double left-click on any of the straight sections to add additional corners. Double left-click or press the End key to end the editing. As you have seen, manually routing differential pairs is surprisingly easy. Thanks for watching.